morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a really tiring plus productive day. So the plans for today include I'm having I have a part in a green festival that is being organized. So I have a part for 3 days, 12th, 13th and 14th of August for Azadi Wala Sara Independence Day se related. I have a part in it and I have stalls in it. Pichle Fabhi I did it or that was related to the spring festival. That was like a spring festival. This is like a green festival. So I have a part. And last night I prepared everything. Last Since last week I was working on it actually. I just took all the stuff out from my room and placed it in my lounge and living room so that it's easier to take from there. So I woke up around 9 a.m. in the morning and then I watched a vlog and then I cuddled with Sky, of course. It's our every morning ritual sort of thing. And now I'm just going to have some breakfast. And I am not completely well still, but I have to do stuff, so I have to get ready as well. Yeah, I have to be there by 3 to 4 p.m. They said, but the event starts at like 6 p.m., so maybe I'll go around 5 p.m. So whatever happens, I'll bring you guys along. Guys, believe me, I am so tired और मुझे इतनी नींद आई हुई है और it's 2:40 p.m. and I have to be at the festival by 3. There's some sort of, pre-booking or something. We have booked our stalls, but there's something we have to do more. But the event starts by 6 and I know I'll not take so much time setting up my stall. I'm gonna take a nap, so I think I'm just gonna sleep. I was just, chilling with Sky, but now I really wanna, take a nap. So I'm just going to go and take a nap now. I'm so tired. All I had like an hour long nap और 3:30 तक मैंने किया nap लिया मैंने उसके बाद I woke up or I got dressed and I decided that since it's an Azadi wala event, so for 14th of August, so I'm thinking I'm going to be wearing green for all the 3 days. I have this green kurti. My really dear friend of mine gave it to me and I love her so much. It's the best fit ever, the perfect fit ever. Now I just have to go and maybe claim my stall and then I'm going to come back up, get ready. I also have a reel to film. I love to do multitasking. I have some 2 other things to do other than this one video of YouTube. I have 2 other things. One for actually both of them are for my blog on my Instagram. If you haven't followed me on my Instagram, it is Glam with Rija. Claim my stall. I have a slip with me and I have my CNIC. So let's just go and I will come back. It's gonna be a long time. I'm gonna be coming back and then I'm gonna have my tea and start getting ready then. It's almost 4 p.m. Heading back home now because I just want to claim my stall and यही पता चला जाके कि तो पहले समय मुझे दिया हुआ है. So yeah, I'm just going to go and do something about it then. चाय पीऊँगी घर जाके मैं. Okay, so I am back home. It is 4:30 p.m. I had my tea and now it is time. Also, actually, there's a Panaflex kind of thing that we have to make And I have such a cute. I bet nobody even think about it. Nobody even like actually thought about this, but I have a really cute idea for the Panaflex. So, but I won't be making it right now. So I have. My God, I thought I stepped on sky. It was just carpet. This is the bag that I'm going to take. I'm going to have my wallet in it. This paper that I used for like my punk shoot, I'm going to have 2 pens. I'm going to be making, you know, like the basic card for the Panaflex there, because वहाँ पे you know like काफ़ी time होता है. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys my Panaflex. बाद में अभी मैं कमरे में आ गई हूँ. Right now I'm just going to get ready. I have a reel to film, and I started the other video as well that goes up like on my Instagram after the event, like all the 3 days. So now I was feeling a little uneasy before, because I am not feeling well, honestly. Like, I'm kind of sick, but yes, now I'm feeling actually great. So yeah, let's get ready. Okay, so now I have all of my makeup right in front of me. Here it is. I feel like doing kind of like a green eye moment, and I also want to watch like YouTube with it. So I feel like I'll watch some vlog. एक ही vlog में मैं तो तैयार हो जाऊंगी because it's not much. I just have to look presentable, and I am pumped. Like, I am pumped up for this. Also, I don't have much time, so I better get moving. I just have some setting spray on my face, so it's going to dry down. Anyways, I am ready, and the look is a slay, no? It's giving. It's giving. It's definitely giving. So yeah, there's so much. It looks like I'm drooling. Anyways, I'm just going to make the reel and talk to you guys later. So I added like glitter on my lips. Isn't it so pretty? Or plus my reel, you know, is made super like this. So I'm happy. Let's go. It is 5 p.m. I think I should just go and set up because जाने में बहुत time लगता है. अपना सामान उठवा दो because you know like और किस लिए वो इस घर में? Of course सामान उठवाने के लिए.
She said I was cute. Okay, girl. Thank you. It is now 10 p.m. and we are going to wrap up soon.
It is 11:30 p.m. and I just got back home. I just only had a pack of chips and a drink, and I have one acne mark right now. I don't know if that मैंने makeup apply भी नहीं किया था. Anyways, uh, it was a good day, but a really hectic one. Now I'm just ice rolling my face. I have work to do and just ignore my dark circles. Honestly, जब light बंद होती है मेरा dark circles ऐसे ही दिखते हैं. Going to have some milk. I started this K-drama सुबह में. It's called An Impossible Heir. And I want to watch it. और उसकी मैंने half episode देखी first और it was really good. Then I had to get up, of course, to like get ready and go out, of course. Anyways, today was a really good day, and some of my friends participated in my stall as well. So like their stuff got sold as well. So yay and congrats to them as well. They worked hard for it, you know. Yeah. Now I have 2 days more. But right now I'm really tired, honestly. I'm really tired. I don't know how I'm going to upload this footage. Like look at my dark circles. Wait, let me just put on my light. Is that better? It is definitely better. You guys see it was because of the light. Not me trying to cover up the mistakes that I have made. Guys, I don't know. Should I close my lights because जब तक मैं बंद नहीं कर दूँ ना लाइट्स मेरा काम नहीं रुकता. और पता है इवन मैं कभी कभार नेट भी बंद कर देती हूँ कि लिटरली नॉट किडिंग. जो नोट्स होते हैं ना आपके मोबाइल में उस पर मैं लिखती हूँ कि ये चीज़ जब यू नो लाइक व्हेन यू हैव द नेट यू शुड यू नो लाइक ऐड दीज. और लाइक आई एम सो I don't know what I should call myself. I'm a freak when it comes to work, but yeah, I think I should close the lights and I have a lollipop. I'm craving something really sweet. I usually keep my stuff there because you know Sky जो है उनको लगता है उनकी चीज़ है. सब कुछ उनका है ना. उनको लगता है Sky को लगता है ऐसा. I have marshmallows too. Oh, I am rich. Indeed, I have the lollipop. Let's hope that I can now finally sleep. I love the you know like I love the thumbnail. It looks so pretty. I mean, it looks so pretty. Now I really want to edit this vlog. I also watched one episode, the first episode of Weak Hero Class 1 is the name, I believe. One, yes. First of all, the main lead looks so much like Jungkook, and it's like a cuter and you know like younger and shorter version of Jungkook. I'm gonna stop now. It is 2:20 a.m. I think I'm just gonna sleep because tomorrow is a working day as well. I cannot you know like keep on watching the stuff. I have to sleep now. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I have been awake since 1 hour. It's 11 a.m. right now. I woke up at 10 a.m. and I'm just watching Weak Hero Class 1. Shoulders are literally stiff and I think I'm gonna die. Can you all believe it is 3:40 p.m. and I'm on the second last episode of Weak Hero Class 1 and I'm literally binge watching it and I have a cup of tea with me as well. It's really warm. Having the time of my life watching this K-drama. It is the best of the best. Like definitely going in my top favorite binge-worthy K-dramas. I just love it so much and I have to get ready as well after some time. Finished Weak Hero Class 1. I also washed my hair because थोड़े से greasy हो गए थे कल. एनीवेज कल 3 बजे रेडी होना शुरू कर दिया था, मतलब प्रिपरेशन शुरू कर दी थी। आज मैडम 5:30 हो गए और अभी तक उठी भी नहीं है और नीचे। आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, आई हैव टू रन, आई हैवंट इवन गॉटन रेडी येट। आज तो मैं कुछ देख भी नहीं सकती। एन आउटफिट, पता है मैं आराम से बैठे बैठे 5 बजे मैं उठ गई थी, आराम से बैठे बैठे अपना आज की रील के लिए सॉन्ग सेलेक्ट करी। तो दिस इज़ माई कबर्ड जिसमें मैंने सारे कलर कोड किए हुए हैं। यहाँ पे ग्रीन है, so let me just pick one. So this is the beautiful green outfit that I am going to wear. I feel like इस वीडियो में 3 गेट रेडी मिलेंगे आप लोग। गेट रेडी विद मी। ब्लश खत्म हो रहा फिर से, और मेरी सेकंड बॉटल है शेड की। अगली दफ़ा आई विल ऑर्डर सम अदर शेड। Do anything on my eyes today, honestly. Just mascara around. Setting powder is such a blessing, honestly. ना होता तो क्या करते हम लोग। I also don't want to do anything on my brows today. They look fine. Getting so late. Oh my god. I don't know, bro. अच्छा, ये वो कुछ काट रहे होते हैं ना या कुछ कर रहे होते हैं ना, तो वो बंदा डांस करने। हाँ सही है, देखा हुआ है। Guys, I'm ready. I have these star earrings on. And this, I hope I don't get copyrighted because of the background music. Anyways, this is the bracelet that I'm wearing. We're just gonna have some tea and run out of the house. Like, मुझे नहीं पता था मेरे घर में ऐसी धूप आती है। So pretty. I can't see much. Done setting up my stall. Well, there was like this weird lady who was like sitting on my stall. I like changed the setting a little bit. Honestly, और नीचे भी है।
Salt green.
गेस्ट बना सकती हूँ। जैसे ही मैं बनाने लगती हूँ ना, या तो कोई कस्टमर आ जाता है या फिर कोई बच्चा आ जाता है या म्यूजिक लग जाता है। एनीवेज, आई गॉट माई सेल्फ अ नोज पेन। लाइक इज़न्ट इट गिविंग? मतलब लोग सोच रहे हैं, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ये एक्सट्रोवर्ट कैसे बन गई इतनी ओकेजनली। Y'all, I am back home and I am dead tired. आज तो मैं जल्दी आ गई भी ख़त्म भी नहीं होता स्टार नहीं इसको ना छेड़ना जल्दी आ गई बिकॉज ख़त्म ही नहीं करते बिकॉज कल 14 अगस्त है तो आज मेरे ख्याल से इनका प्लान था मेरे ख्याल से 2 बजे मुझे कोई बच्चा कह रहा था 2 बजे ख़त्म होगा मैंने कहा भाई मैं नहीं इतनी देर रुक रही तो बस 11 PM and all my paintings are sold out. I mean alhamdulillah almost 10 big canvases, paintings and other stuff like that सारी sold out हो गई. I am so proud. Like मेरे लिटरली अंदर से एक एक्सट्रोवर्ट इंसान निकला था जिसने ये पॉसिबल किया अदरवाइज मी बीइंग अलोन एंड मैनेजिंग थिंग्स इज़ वेरी रेयर तो यूजुअली मैं कर रही होती हूँ लेकिन मैं लाइक एक छोटी जगहों में था लाइक होल ऑन ब्लेस ही तो वो छोटी जगहों में मैं कर रही हूँ जैसे लाइक यूनिवर्सिटी में बहुत रेयर है बिकॉज मैं दोस्तों के साथ ही होती हूँ लाइक आई रेड इट टमोरो इज़ अनदर डे ऑफ कोर्स और कल भी है so yeah also I got this nose ring I love it it looks so good मैंने पहले ली थी एक पहले ली थी मैंने मगर वो यूनिवर्सिटी में कहीं गिर गई थी तो बट मैं कोई हरकत कर रही होंगी तो गिर गई हाँ मैं लाइक अपने दोस्तों को यहाँ पे पहन के दिखा रही थी कि मैंने हाँ नाक छिदवा लिया उस चक्कर में वो गिर गई थी तो यस मैंने वाली ले ली है So yeah, I am going to relax and chill now. Y'all, I changed my bedsheet because this guy made a mess. मैंने दुपट्टा नीचे गिरा दिया इसने. कोई मानेगा भी नहीं इसने गिराया है. Anyways, culprit की हम शक्ल देखेंगे. शक्ल is too cute इसलिए हम इसको छोड़ देंगे. छोड़ दें आपको? पार कर देते कोई बात. मैसी तो क्रिएट किया. इधर साफ कर देगी.
It is currently 3 AM and I just finished working on this really long video. It's a day in my life as a content creator and it was hard to make and I just realized that that video was filmed in June. It's like August right now so I'm uploading that video कल इंशाल्लाह जो अभी मैंने ख़त्म कर लिया एडिट करके तो इट वॉज रियली हार्ड टू एडिट बहुत उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं एनीवेज आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट ऑनेस्टली मैंने उसमें नई एडिटिंग ट्राई की है एंड दिस वीडियो जिसका मुझे कल भी शूट करना है इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट अभी तक 100 मिनट्स ऑफ फुटेज एंड कल की फुटेज और होगी आई हैव टू अपलोड दिस वीडियो द वीडियो दैट आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीक and today is the start of Wednesday and I don't know like 100 minutes of footage already it will be I think 160 minutes of footage or maybe 50 or maybe 200 minutes of footage I have to do this week because this is related to 14th of August and of course ये कल तो मैं डाल नहीं सकती because like आज हो गया 14th August so अभी तो मैं डाल नहीं सकती उसी दिन बिकॉज कल तो फुटेज है शूट करनी है मुझे या आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि दिस वीडियो गोज अप दिस वीक आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई लाइक माई लवली बेस्ट राइट नाउ व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग इज जस्ट आई एम लाइक ट्राइंग आउट डिफरेंट की ड्रामास और मैं उनकी सबकी फर्स्ट एपिसोड देख रही हूँ मैं अभी मैंने स्टार्ट किया सेरेंडिपिटीज इन ग्रेस I'm just going to close it. I'm just going to sleep now because it's 3 AM and literally I am dying because मैं सुबह 10 से भी पहले की मैं जब 10 बजे उठी थी 9:15 पे उठी थी 10 बजे के करीब उठी थी और it's literally more than 15-16 hours since I've been awake. So I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. It is the third and final day of the festival. I loved the festival. Alhamdulillah, it was a really good experience, second experience for me. Today's outfit, I'm wearing this light green and
the same green, like whatever pants. And yeah, I wanted to like do something light green for today's look. And I'm getting late again. It's 5:20 p.m. I'm just gonna have my tea and start getting ready. It's gonna be the third get ready with me. I told you guys, you gotta get ready with me. Anyways, two of my YouTube videos did really well. Alhamdulillah. Like I think it's all the editing, and more so like people really like how the video is edited, I believe. But yeah. Also, I just finished uploading a YouTube video today. I just uploaded it right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started with the makeup because I have to leave. Good luck to me for today as well. Y'all, I filmed like all my base makeups, like footage, and it got deleted. I don't know what happens to me. Like my hands are like, I don't understand. I get so mad. I hate the kids जो ये बजाते हैं. Like I do not like. Anyways, I applied some toner, and I like did such a good job. And then I applied this concealer, Photo concealer, and some folklore blush. Okay ना? बेचारा देखता है कि कौन पागल है जो बजा रहा है. Like, you guys probably can't see how frustrated and irritated I get whenever my footage gets deleted because I quickly set my face with my trusty Miss Rose setting powder. This guy is super sleepy right now. He was sleeping, and because my brother picked him up, he woke up, और उसके बाद ये बाजों की वजह से today is 14 August and Happy Independence Day to you all as well. Some people when I met her, I did not like had a good vibe. It was on the first day that I met her. People are weird. You talk to them once nicely, they think like they own a part of you. Completed look. It's pretty, no? See, no foundation can give you. Oh, why is the lip shiny? Alright, so I am just gonna have a cup of tea and I'm just gonna leave the house because पहुंचने में देर लगती है. मगर कल भी मैं इसी टाइम से गई थी और मैं पहुंच गई थी. Also, I have to make a reel as well, right? My stall, it was pretty quick. I mean, within 10 minutes मैंने कर लिया. Also मेरा सारा सामान चला गया था, इतना कुछ था भी नहीं. Anyways, I'm wearing my nose pin as well. Also, I really wanted to bring my book to read because I have some spare time. थोड़ा बहुत करके मतलब कर सकते हैं हम लोग. थोड़ा ध्यान रखेंगे सब तो I can read. Guys, I'm really excited to shop today. Honestly, आज यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा दिल है चीज़ें खरीदने का. तो जैसे मेरे घर से कोई आके मेरा स्टॉल देख ले बस थोड़ी देर के लिए, तो I am just going to go and do some shopping. Also, I only have this one canvas left, but everything has been sold out. Hey! Right now I'm going to tell you guys why I wear the cap. Honestly, it's just an excuse to say that I wear it for sun protection, but I actually wear it so that I don't get recorded in videos. I hate it. I hate when somebody makes a video. stall. It is 7:20 p.m. and I really want the blueberry drink again. I want to buy it and I see the stall right in front of me, but I can't leave my stall. So I'll just ask, like the other people to, watch over my stall for like just like 2 minutes. मैं कह रही थी कि आप मेरा थोड़ी देर स्टॉल देखेंगे, मैं वो जूस ले आऊँ. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let me just set up my camera. My mom just bought me a Chinese. But this ring, isn't it so pretty? It is currently 12:15 p.m. and I got back home at around 11 p.m. It was such a roller coaster day and it wasn't a good day. Like, okay, fine, it was a good day, half good, half bad. I wouldn't say because of some shitty people my mood got messed up, and I would just say like my day wasn't good. Also, I got two things I'm going to show you. Yesterday I got this nose ring. And today I got this ring. So pretty. Anyways, that was it for this long 72-hour long vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.